everybody, how are you? Happy Monday. It's a beautiful chilly day outside, so I got my hoodie on today. Doing some work at home, got to get out errands. I got some mailing. Yeah, I still mail stuff, promo stuff for, I can show you, promo stuff for my lectures. Yeah, still old school. It was requested, so sending this out. Potential person that's going to book me. And that's it. What an exciting weekend, by the way. We had the No Kings rally here in Chicago. I didn't go downtown, but I was here in my neighborhood, and I'm guessing there was about 1,000, maybe 1,500, maybe a little bit more. I really couldn't tell because there's people all over. But it was positive. And you know what I love? It was a community event. It was positive, and people were rising up. And I love to see my neighbors, people I didn't know, people that were there, our allies, everything. It was just a great event. So I don't want to talk too long right now, but there's pictures and video right when I get done here that I took over the weekend. And I hope a lot of you were in solidarity, whatever city you were in, doing the No Kings rally, No Kings protest to some of us. The other thing I want to add is I had some people come after me on Facebook, a few other places, just saying how wrong I am for what I'm doing for my career, or they voted for the other side and they're LGBTQ+, and they're trying to show me why they did that and stuff. I appreciate everybody's opinion, but if you're going to post stuff on my wall that's unkind, ungenerous, I'm done with you. All right, you're being blocked. It's not that I'm not refusing to hear from your side, but when it's negativity and telling that the protest is useless and that Donald Trump's not hearing us, it's not, because it's a community event. It gives people hope and it's inspiring people, and that's the way I look at it. And hopefully, it's inspiring our country. So don't come after me. Don't post negative stuff, because I'm done. I don't have that in my life. It's all about positivity and bringing our country and our world together, and everybody knows that. On another note, some of you posted that I'm looking at a new car. My lease is up for my Nissan Rogue Sport. It's a 2020. I only have 43,000 miles on it, and right now I'm sticking with my old car because I don't have any problems with it. I know in the future that may be a different issue, but I really am torn on this Nissan Kicks. It's a 2025. It's a premium SR. I'm a little nervous on the newer transmission. I think it's called CVT. So I'm hearing some good things and some iffy things. But I drove the car a couple of times and it's stunning. All the whizzes and bangs. You'll even probably do dishes for me. I'm hoping. But it's a great car. I've just decided right now, things may change, but right now I'm sticking with my old car. It's just the work has been really quite horrible for me in speaking, and once we get past LGBTQ+ History Month, I'm probably going to make a little bit of an announcement on some changes, what I'm doing in my life and career. I'm still sticking with what I'm doing because I've been doing it a long time. It's just I need to eye things for complete holistic and well-being for myself. So we'll get to that in a little bit, right? So listen, I will see you on Thursday. Subscribe, like, and share. Enjoy the pictures and the video that I took here in the neighborhood of the East Lakeview neighborhood here in Chicago, the No Kings rally. And I hope you're well. I hope you're at peace. I hope you're hopeful and all that kind of stuff. I will see you on Thursday, and thanks for checking in with me. I appreciate the support. Lots of love from me. I'll see you soon. Bye.